Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into an amazing book, The Art and Business of Online Writing by Nicholas Cole. This book is a goldmine for anyone who wants to master the art of writing online and turn it into a sustainable business. Plus, I'll share practical action steps after each key point, so make sure to watch till the end. In the digital world, writing means writing online. Nicholas Cole emphasizes that the first step is to start writing consistently. Forget perfection. Focus on getting your ideas out there on platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Action step. Pick one platform where your ideal audience hangs out. Commit to posting at least one piece of content per week, no matter how small. Find your niche. Not everyone can be your audience. To stand out, you need to narrow your focus and find a niche that aligns with your passion or expertise. When you become an expert in one area, people start trusting your content more. Action step. Brainstorm 3 topics you are passionate about. Choose one topic you can consistently write about and start creating content around it. Master storytelling. Storytelling is what makes your content relatable and memorable. According to Nicholas Cole, your writing should tell a story, even if it's a short tweet or a 500-word blog post. People connect with emotions, so add a personal touch. Action step. Next time you write, start with a real-life example or a problem you faced and solved. Use simple language and break your content into small, readable chunks. Be consistent. Consistency isn't just about writing every day. It's about showing up for your audience regularly. The more consistent you are, the more your audience will grow to trust you. Action step. Set a specific time daily or weekly to write, even if it's just 15 minutes. Create a content calendar to plan your posts for the month. Build your personal brand. Online writing is a powerful way to build your personal brand. Your content represents you, so let your unique voice shine. Be authentic, and let your audience know what you stand for. Action step. Write a bio that reflects your expertise and interests. Use the same profile picture and tone of voice across all platforms for consistency. Monetize your writing. Once you've built an audience, it's time to monetize your writing. Nicholas Cole suggests options like launching online courses, publishing ebooks, offering consulting services, or starting a subscription newsletter. Action step. Write down 3 monetization ideas based on your expertise. Pick one and start creating a small offer, like an ebook or a paid guide. Conclusion. The art and business of online writing teaches us that writing is more than just an art, it's a business. If you treat it like one, it can lead to amazing opportunities. Start small, stay consistent, and build your unique voice. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable content. Let me know in the comments which action step you'll implement first. See you in the next video.